If your travel bucket list looks like a blank canvas, you're in for a colourful adventure. First stop, Japan, where ancient temples meet neon-lit skyscrapers and cherry blossoms paint the landscape with pink. Next, let's dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives, where every sunset paints the sky in hues of orange and purple. Now, we jet off to New Zealand, a land of rolling green hills, majestic mountains and breathtaking fjords. Then soak up the rich history and vibrant culture of Italy, from the romantic canals of Venice to the sun-soaked vineyards of Tuscany. And don't miss the wild beauty of Canada, with its sprawling forests, stunning lakes, and awe-inspiring wildlife. Last but not least, feel the rhythm of Brazil, from the electric energy of Rio's Carnival to the serene beauty of the Amazon rainforest. Ready to discover the world's most stunning countries in 2024? Adventure awaits.